Hi there, it's Mary with Mary's Stampin' Cafe. Thanks so much for stopping in today. I have a fabulous specialty class to share with you today. It is called the Cheerful Daisies Specialty Class. What does that mean? Well, whenever I do a specialty class, I try to do each month or every other month where I can offer a fabulous card making kit for people who live near and want to come do it in person, or who live too far and far away but they still want to participate with these wonderful products. So it's specialty also because you receive product, not just the cards to make, but you receive products. In this particular Cheerful Daisies class, you will be receiving the solid gems adhesive backed. You'll also be receiving 1/2 package of the beautiful Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper. This 12 by 12 package is so beautiful with all of the rich, wonderful colors, some of them brand new colors, some of them returning colors. And this half package you'll receive cut at 6 by 12 so that you can utilize the paper and do more than maybe just a card making project. I love this one here. It's one of my favorites. Beautiful here. I just love the rich, bold colors. It's great for spring, summer, and fall. Now, when you get this particular sheet, because you're getting half a package, you will get a whole sheet of this one. I will be cutting right along that line there so that I can fit it into the package as a 6 by 12. I love this piece because you can use just this as your layering front, put a sentiment, and you are done. It is beautiful. So with that, you also are going to be getting supplies to create 6 beautiful projects. Now, you see 3 projects here that have been created. You will create 2 each of the 3 designs. So you would create 2 of this, 2 of this, and 2 of this. What is fabulous about this specialty class is you can switch out the designer series paper if you wish. You can switch out and create one card going this direction, the other card going this direction. There is so many possibilities, so your 6 cards don't have to look exactly the same. This is a fun one here. Has a beautiful belly band and then a fabulous fold out for your wonderful sentiment and note. So have fun with your projects. You will get any additional embellishments. For example, you can see on 2 of the cards, why don't you want to go back in, my friend? We'll just let that be. You can see these 2 cards. This is a beautiful Lost Lagoon, new ribbon. And then this here is part of the jute twine. And so you'll be getting that as well in your kit, so you can use those. I absolutely love the projects. So again, 2 each of the 3 designs. You'll also be getting a bonus project. What do I mean by a bonus project? Well, I'd leave that to be a surprise. I can't tell you that. Oftentimes it could be a DIY home decor project, a special fancy fold treat pouch. It could be a great, wonderful thing to stamp up and give as a gift to someone. So it's a way for me to say thank you for participating in my classes. So now this is option 1. Option 1 gets you the products that you see here, the package of the solid adhesive backed gems, 1/2 package of the Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper, and supplies and embellishments for 6 projects, 2 each of 3 designs. That is option 1. There's an option 2 that also includes the Cheerful Daisy bundle. That would include the stamp set and the dies. And you can make that as an option 2, so that just gets included as well. Now, you might be a demonstrator already and just want to participate in the card kit. You may be a customer who already bought the stamp set and dies and you want to just participate here. I am using this bundle for all of these cards. Now, is there another floral set or something you could just put instead? I'll leave that to you. Now, here's my thinking. You will also need, if you're doing to go, you'll be needing the colored stamp pads, that are being used as well. So my little brain has started to say June is a wonderful month because it is a joining special. You might decide that, hey, I'm going to put my order in and join Stampin' Up, put this bundle in, put in some of the stamp pads that are part of this class, and some other types of cardstocks or embellishments to make your starter kit, and join Stampin' Up and join my team. That would be fun. There is a joining special right now, $155 for $99 in the US. That is fabulous. There's also this month a designer series paper sale, 15% off, such beautiful designer series paper. Put all those things together in a starter kit and you are golden. And then you can participate as well as the card kit for this class. So I will have all of the information on my blog, which is linked below, where you can get all of the details for this fabulous Cheerful Daisies Specialty Class. I love my fun fold here. It's so fun. This would be really easy to turn into a gift card holder as well. Sorry, my band doesn't want to go back on because my designer paper is getting in the way of it. That is so strange. I've never had any trouble getting this on here. Maybe I'll go this way instead. There we go. See, it was getting caught right there. You'll also in this class get a PDF tutorial of all of the projects that you see, as well as that mystery bonus project. In my links below, I also have information on the designer series paper sale that's going on for June, as well as the starter kit promotion. You know, the starter kit promotion is awesome because $155 for $99. Everybody has a huge wish list of things that you want. Plus, you're getting discounts on the designer series paper, so you're actually getting more than $155 for $99 if you add some designer papers. Well, thank you so much for stopping in, you guys. Do check out my blog with information on how you can reserve your space for in-person or to go at my July Fresh as a Daisy, Cheerful Daisies, oh, I love them all, specialty class. And until next time, happy stampin'.